And let's get some context. We're at Helio, and you'll find everything, by the way, down in the description. But first, let me tell you, it's a workspace where you'll have your team of agents to help and collaborate with you throughout your project. It's not a place to just ask a question. It's a workspace like Slack or others. A hub where your colleagues, or most of them, are directly AI. And I say colleagues because they're not just a widget in a sidebar. What if AI didn't wait for you? What if it worked for you? What if it had its own email, showed up during work hours, and passed tasks to another AI without you being there? This is Helio's proposal, and after using it for a couple of weeks, I have results to show you. Well, the first thing you need to do is download it, and once you do, you'll be able to start your session. In my case, I'm going to select my workspace. This way, you'll know how to download it from the start to get going and begin using it, because I'm telling you by the end of this video, you'll be eager to jump in. Well, first of all, here AI isn't just a tool, it's a member of your team. There's no new chat button, it works proactively, and most importantly, number 3, you stay in control. That means for any risky operation, you make the final decision first. And who is Helio designed for? Mainly for the so-called super individuals, as I call them. People who have their own unique ideas and want to bring those ideas to life as fast as they possibly can. Making what they have in here into a tangible reality. Whether it's managing a complex project, creating a dedicated team, a new product, or developing any kind of initiative they have to expand, say their existing business, or even building something entirely from the ground up. I'm going to create a small specialized AI team with you and put it to work on 2 specific things I do in my daily life. Right now, there are 3 of us on the team, as you can clearly see on my screen. But that's going to change because we're bringing on new talent to the team. So the first thing we'll do is create a new teammate for your team. In the end, there are many options already available that you can manage, whether it's for marketing, data analysis, operations, engineering, or whatever else you want. Or you can create one from scratch, which means building one from zero. And we're going to select research, someone missing from our team. We're going to call it Nova, and we create our teammate. It's important to note that in the end, your agents can coexist in many spaces. And what do I mean? That if you have a subscription, for example, to ChatGPT, you can use that app or that subscription to maintain this assistant, like connecting your own API key. That way you use your own model consumption and not a credit pool. Ultimately, this is very important if you work in high volume. For example, I have it here in Cloud Code with Helio on Helio Cloud. And in the end, Nova, our colleague, isn't just a chatbot to talk to. No. It goes much further. He's our Dotita's team member. What does that mean? That we can assign him tasks. He also has and will show us the activities. He doesn't have any now because we just created him. He also has in his calendar what he has noted to do. He also has different channels through which he can operate. Then we have the skills part where in the end, well, I could add whichever one I wanted if I needed it. Then the memory section and the profile. And guys, Nova has an email, a completely real email, and that means a lot and changes everything. So for example, I go to Trello and to register, they ask me for an email. I'm going to put in my colleague Nova's, so I'm going to register with it so you can see it's a real email and boom, I'd be in. In the end, what I'm showing you is that Nova directly links with his email wherever I want. And that is a truly impressive functional identity. Let's go for the next essential companion that will need to join us here on our team. He's also going to live in Cloud Code, and in this case, we're going to call him Peace. And the difference is that I'm creating him from scratch. It's not from a template like we had created our friend Nova. This friend, we create him from scratch. In the end, you tell him the function, which one you want him to do, and you don't need a big bio. He already knows perfectly what you have to do, so don't worry about making big prompts. Something also very interesting is that you'll be able to set up and activate your computer to run local AI, our dear Helio, inside our computer, making everything significantly easier and making the all-in-one compact completely. Now what we're going to do is give real work to Helio with our members and with our friends that we have. We're going to give a workflow, for example, to my day-to-day. And I'm telling you this on a personal level. I don't just have this artificial intelligence YouTube channel, I have others. I also have an artificial intelligence agency, and I don't want to bore you to death with my private life. But it's true that every morning when I wake up, I have to collect all the information from the night for, 8-10 hours that I haven't been at the computer, both artificial intelligence news and something I might be missing, some interesting tool for me to apply. In the end, I have a manual job every morning for half an hour, and if I don't do it, I feel like I'm a bit behind the rest. I won't deny that a normal AI that might cross your mind, it could do a morning briefing for me every morning, but in the end, I'd be doing the same thing, being the executing hand that would seek to do this action every morning. What are we going to do then so that this doesn't happen anymore and they help us? And that is to create an event. And we have two ways to create the event. First, I'll show you the simplest one. Directly, you go to one of your AI colleagues, in this case to Peace, and I'm going to request that I want him to make a post for me every day, which I'll then assign if I want to upload or don't want to upload a controversial artificial intelligence one for Twitter. So, having it scheduled every day at a specific time, I just give it that command and it automatically assigned itself the task of doing that work every single day. Now I'm going to show you as well if you wanted to do it manually. An event that's going to be daily. It's going to be called Morning Brief. And the description, what we were talking about, AI information. Let's add our friend Nova, and now we have the whole month scheduled for Nova to be with us, but we're missing something very important. And I'm going to tell Nova that every morning, based on the calendar we added, it should scan for new AIs and SaaS from the last 24 hours. If you notice, Nova itself already has its calendar of tasks to do, which is the morning brief. Right? And so you understand how very simple and incredibly easy the process is for a basic user. It's just simply asking me where I want it to send it. So I tell it to open a hashtag morning brief, and obviously it has stored in its memory, in its internal memory, exactly what I requested. We're talking about SaaS. We're talking about trying to skip any rumors or fake news and scanning through everything related to artificial intelligence and the SaaS industry. And most importantly, from the last 24 hours every day. So Nova, welcome to the team, buddy. Even more interesting, besides having the morning brief where it'll send us absolutely everything, there's also what I mentioned. We could add a friend, invite them into Helio, and they would receive that information, for example. Okay, and here it's generated a report of what I requested and a sample of what we'll be receiving every day. I find it very useful. I know it might seem trivial to you, but it's a simple task that takes up my time, and now it won't anymore thanks to my colleague Nova. And now I'm going to create an extra task for our dear Nova. Obviously, you can also assign tasks to Nova, not just the one I mentioned. In the end, Nova is there for you, and you configure it however you want. And just a little thing, I've also assigned it to add photos or image resources regarding the news. Of course, I also have an inbox DM where my dear Nova never stops. The guy is at it all day, giving me links to where the info came from, which is very significant and important, and its images. And like that every single day, I love it. Now we're going to set up a combination so our team works together without me being the middleman. If we have, for example, Nova here and Peace here, they shouldn't communicate with me, but with each other to make things as easy as possible for me. Helio does exactly that, and thanks to its power, we could even seamlessly connect an entire team of 6, 8, 10, or even 12 members who would work right alongside us or for us, however you might prefer to put it. But anyway, they'd make our lives much more useful and above all, save us a lot of time by cross-referencing quality information that they'd provide us with. Alright, now we're going to create a new channel, a channel where, for example, now that Helio is getting to know me, it has different recommendations for me that I could link with new members joining my team, but in this case, I'm going to pair Peace with Nova. Okay, let's program our two agents and we're going to select Nova and Peace. And now we're simply going to use this line of text to let them get to know each other. to become friends, okay? Because of course, I can't be stuck in this Bermuda Triangle. So the process we're following and what I'm asking of them is the work that Nova has to do. And then Peace has to carefully review and finalize it to give me a polished final product. In this case, as you can clearly see here, they're LinkedIn posts with 3 different variations for Twitter. Something very positive is that sometimes, obviously, you're going to make mistakes, but your dear Nova or whichever friend you've chosen is always there to correct you or provide a bit more context. That works really well, especially when you're either a novice or still feeling lost within a platform. Helio has many options there. Obviously, as you've seen, they're all very user-friendly and easy to manage, but little by little, you'll break it down and understand how the system works from the inside to create some truly crazy team setups. And well, for the first part, Nova has done its task, and well, Peace herself has reacted to Nova and has already directly provided a complete breakdown of all the information and made sure that everything was left very clear for me. They're starting to discuss the best strategy we're going to use, and the best part is that I'm sitting here with my hands in the air. I've directly organized a team that works with me all day, 24/7. The only one who gets any rest is me. And in the end, I'm always the one making the important decisions. They won't execute anything without my permission as the final say. And the thing is, everything that goes out into the real world, meaning everything that comes out of Helio, for example, for social media in this case, nothing goes out without my authorization. What I mean is that I have absolute control over everything that happens outside these doors. Where, for example, with our product focus flow, you save 13 minutes, and 13 minutes might seem like nothing, but that's 520 hours a year, which is 13 full work weeks. But anyway, it was just a fun example of how we can bring several little friends together to work with us and set up a joint team to handle any task. In this case, I've done this specific one as an example, but you can certainly do whichever one you want. On a personal note, this is set up for anyone. If you want a quick answer, yes. I mean, honestly, I can think of any job where you could easily use Helio AI for extra support. Just imagine, I don't know, say you're a thumbnail designer, you could actually set up a virtual colleague to help you out. Imagine you're working, I don't know, or studying for a new job or studying for some civil service exams. I mean, I don't know, it even helps me in my work as a YouTuber. It's useful for the agency too, because I can create my own colleague dedicated to, for example, sending messages, writing perfect messages to send to clients or proposals, and so on. And none of this gets out of hand. And that's what interests me most, because at the critical moment, you step in and it tags you to take action and make the final decision. Something else I wanted to pause and have you listen to is that Helio has its own BYOC. What does that mean? Bring your own key. And that's with the API. Because in the end, I guess like everyone, you're tired of paying thousands or hundreds of dollars for different apps. Helio lets you use the subscription you already have for a model. That way, you just spend the points you need to do the tasks without wasting extra money. In this case, we'd go to settings, to API credentials, and add a credential. It could be from Anthropic, DeepSeek, or OpenAI. I don't know which one you have. So in my case, I've already connected Claude for Anthropic within Helio. That's great and removes a lot of friction if you want to try Helio directly before subscribing, and then you can decide for yourself. It's a tool that, in my opinion, I hadn't used anything like until now. I find it very useful. You can add lots of colleagues, and you can also add a friend of yours to help out with the whole team you have. You can generate whatever you want, and the final concept of Helio AI is very simple. It's moving from operating with AI to delegating to AI. It's a small thing, but it changes absolutely everything. If you are interested and want to try it out for yourself, you will find the link right down here in the description, so you can easily try it and download it too. Additionally, if you decide to join our Discord community, you will see everything that many other users like you and me are building at truly impressive levels. From people who have been using it for quite a long while now, and you can definitely learn a lot from them. And also in their Discord community, which I recommend you join, And with that said, down here in the comments, I'd love for you to tell me what you've been building in your workflow once you set up your project. And without further delay, I'll say goodbye here. I'm Doda. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one. Bye.